Okay, guys, what is inthpiration? People keep asking me on my channel, what is that? Well, I'm not doing such a great job at telling everyone. Well, first of all, let's talk about the name. The name. It's inspirational, but with a lisp. And when you write something in Lisp, let's say you want to add two numbers, right? That's usually the syntax. So you're going to apply the function to whatever comes after it in the parentheses. And that's actually, that has some advantages because now you know how to separate, well, a function applied to something. So the programming language Lisp has a Lisp, and it also uses parentheses. So when I made Inspiration Basic, I knew that it was just a programming language that was basic. And it was also based on BASIC, which is not a very mathematically interesting language. It's just a language that people find intuitive and easy to understand. It has whiles and ifs. You can assign variables. You tend to work with maybe just Booleans, integers. It's not very complicated. But why did I call it inspiration in the first place? Well, I was in the Army, and I was in Okinawa, and I was on an Air Force base, and I was inside of a base exchange, which is kind of like a Walmart for the Air Force base. And there was a boy there in this base exchange, and I must have happened to have been waiting for a friend or doing something, but maybe I was just walking around and thinking about my ideas. Now, I don't know if this boy's mom was getting coffee or what was going on, but I just remember I had a conversation with him, and I was telling him, I'm inspired by things like Legos or, say, the Apple's iPhone, or let's say these cool new toys that you can create circuits with by snapping the plastic, snap circuits. I was inspired by that. It was inspiration. So he told me you should call it inspiration. So that's how it got its name. And that's why it's called that. Now, what is it? Well, it's an app that lets you code parse trees instead of text. But instead of being limited to BASIC, lets you do it with Lisp and with lambda calculus as well. So, can you use it yet? As of this video, it's probably not going to be there for you to be able to use. But when time comes, you'll be able to, because I'll have it released.